Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm going to show you guys how to do a floral letter tutorial along with the surprise baby shower I did at work. Supplies needed are your glue gun, your glue sticks, your letter, and your flowers. Okay, so the hardest part about creating this is deciding where you want your flowers to go and your color scheme for these flowers. I chose dark pinks and light pinks, and I did a K for the baby's last name because I didn't know what the first name was. So I simply went with the less is more concept. So I placed each flower in the corner, and then to add some color, I went ahead and added the leaves to the side, and voila. Okay, so I thought it would be a special touch to put the K inside of this basket that I also made for the baby shower, and I went ahead and put other little baby item trinkets in there, and I added the K because I felt like it popped and it gave it a cute special touch. And if you're curious to know why I have all these post-it notes in the basket, I also on each item put cute little rhymes and cute little statements on what the new mom to be could use each item for. I thought that added a cute special touch.
We're having a surprise baby shower from Miss Polly. Say hey. Hey. They're over here. They look good right there.
No, they don't. They're hiding. Y'all need to put them out.
Look at all this delicious food. So yummy. Ow. Bye guys. Ooh, surprise baby shower.
Is that me?
Wait, how far were they?
Oh, they were just coming this way.
From the cafeteria? Oh, I see feet. Oh, shoot. She went to her room. Turn it off. I'm going to whoop your butt. Turn it off. I should have thought we were in my room. Damn it. Come on. Woohoo, we did it, guys! Yay! Thank you, Mr. Summers! Toilet paper measuring game. How close were you? One off.
Yep.
That's what I said. She's small.
I was too distracted with the Santa thing.
Oh, hard! So I wanted to go ahead and make this video as a tribute to baby Mia, who is now a part of our Tigerettes dance family, and this is also kind of a memorable little video clip for us as well, as we get to look back at the awesome surprise baby shower that we had with our 2018-2019 drill team, the Tigerettes. Thanks for watching and thanks for visiting my channel. I hope you guys loved it, and subscribe.